Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert airtime into real cash. But before we go into that, can you kindly hit the subscribe button? Thank you. Now, first you will have to register, sign up to instantly convert airtime to cash and access unbeatable deals on data plans and airtime, all with top-notch security and convenience. First, you enter your legal first name, enter your legal surname, enter your active email address, enter your WhatsApp number, and your login password. There you go. We now have access to the dashboard where you can convert your airtime to cash. And also, as you can see, they said we guarantee you cash in 10 minutes if you don't receive your payout after 10 minutes, or if you have inquiries, chat with us on Telegram or WhatsApp. Our support agent will respond to you instantly and help you to have seamless experience. What they're trying to say is that if you don't receive your payment, you have to chat with them so that their agent will respond to you. That's it's very simple. Okay, for payout rates, NTM 83%, Glow 62%, Airtel 71%, 9 Mobile 50%, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate for you taking your time to watch my video and learning something from it. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one.